Time to make Trimbago's favorite bar snack, Christmas gift, and souvenir.
Here in the Caribbean, we celebrate our rich and diverse heritage every day in every pot. The story of our shared experiences is told in every bite of our favorite dishes. Join us as we explore Caribbean cuisine, where every dish is simply local.
So as you see in the title, today we're making one of Trinidad's favorite bar snacks, and that is spicy pepper nuts. And we're going to be using Cuisine's white roasted peanuts to do this recipe. It's super adaptable. You can add as little or as much pepper as you like. Today we're adding some shadow benny, garlic, some smoked paprika for some color. It's going to be delicious. And also it is a Thursday, meaning tomorrow's Friday. So when I'm having my little Friday afternoon day, I'm gonna have some spiciness with it. So let's jump right in. So this is one of those recipes that every time you go into the grocery, you see that bottle of hot nuts and you just pick it up and you don't have a thing to make it yourself. But trust me, it's super easy, and this is gonna be part of your repertoire very soon, just like it is mine. To start, I am just adding some Cuisine soybean oil to a hot cast iron pan. Next, I'm adding some minced garlic. And what I'm doing is I'm just want to infuse the oil with the garlic. And I chop the garlic up really fine. To that, I'm adding some minced scotch bonnet pepper. I removed the seeds personally. If you really like lots of pepper, you can leave the seeds in, that's fine. So once again, we're just kind of infusing the oil with the garlic and the scotch bonnet pepper. It's very fragrant already. Next, for some color and an extra spice, I'm adding some paprika. Give it a kind of nice red color that almost tells you off the bat this is peppery. There we go. And next we're adding the Cuisine white roasted peanuts. I'm just gonna pour these right in. Just going to coat the peanuts with the pepper, garlic, and paprika infused oil. So as you can imagine, it smells incredible in here. We're about to take it up a notch. I'm adding some freshly chopped shadow benny. I like a lot of shadow benny, so I'm gonna be a little bit liberal with this. And then I'm gonna let these shadow benny kind of toast in there with it. Your Christmas gifts for your neighbors, salt. And of course, last but not least, we're going to add some salt. And just note, we are using sea salt today, not iodized salt. The iodized salt would kind of leave almost the kind of sediment on the peanuts, and you want it to kind of melt in nicely with everything else going on. Alright guys, I'm not even gonna front and pretend like this is the first nut that I've been having since these nuts came out the pan. So yum, delicious, no brainer, so good. When you make a nut yourself, you could really kind of, choose your own adventure. If you want to add more pepper, less pepper, more salt, no salt, different types of herbs, not just shadow benny. You could really go for it and have a good time. So I did say that it was a Thursday and that I'd be having beers on Friday, but the beers were in the fridge really cold, nuts are hot, ready to go. So, Thursday's a new Friday anyway. So I'm gonna have a little beer. Cheers. And as always, it's a pleasure having you in the kitchen with me. Special thanks to our sponsors, Cuisine, for making this video happen. Cuisine products are available at Massy stores nationwide. So until next time, bye guys.